Hey friends, if you wish to use WordPad on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing, we do not have WordPad now. If you search for it, you won't find it. And then if you search for store and open the Microsoft Store and then search for WordPad, you will not find it. The reason is that WordPad has been removed. Now, alternatively, here's what you can do. You can use a lot of free Word editors. You can use the paid version, which is Microsoft Word, and you can use Notepad, which is somewhat equivalent to WordPad now. I'll tell you why. Because now we have a lot more options in WordPad. It is, I mean, in Notepad, it is not just a note editor with no editing options. We have the option to change the font. We have the option to change the size of the font. So it is similar to WordPad. They have added new features to Notepad and they have removed WordPad. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.